Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C210 working on a MacBook. As you can see, I have the Tapo C210 already working on my phone using the Tapo app. So you just need to have the same app back there on the MacBook. Super simple. You see here when I come to the App Store, I can look for Tapo and TP-Link Tapo, okay? I can do the same back there with the MacBook. Let me just come here to the App Store. In here, I can just look for Tapo. There we go. And then I use this one, TP-Link Tapo. I just download, install it, and log into my account, okay? After logging into the account, you just open it. And then you're gonna see all your cameras here. So super simple like this, okay? It's the same app, works exactly the same way. You see that I have all of my cameras, and I can just click this one, and I see the live image here, okay? So basically from here, I can control everything: screenshot, manual recording, volume, voice call, talk, pan and tilt. From here, I can just control the camera as well. So it's super simple. And I can do whatever I want here exactly the same way I can do here on my cell phone, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo camera working on a MacBook or on your phone, whatever you are, okay? If you're at home, it's going to work. If you're traveling, as long as you have connection to the internet, your MacBook is going to work also with the Tapo C210. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.